Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be unboxing two Lego sets. Our first one is Ninjago Legacy Tournament of Elements. This set is for ages 6 and older. Set 71735. It has 283 pieces and it was featured in season 4. The minifigures are Izor, Jay, Balobo, Gravis, Kai, Jacob, and Lloyd Legacy. On the back, it shows play features and collect all the golden ninjas. Our second set is Ninjago Legacy Boulder Blaster. This is for ages 8 and older at set 71736 and it has 449 pieces. On the back, it also has play features and it was featured in season 4. The minifigures are Izor, Lloyd, Cole, and Kai Legacy. Now let's unbox these things. Oh my gosh. Well, I just opened this and the bag just ripped open, so that was unfortunate. Oh, what just happened? Okay, but now we're back to instruction manual. Holy. Bag 1. This is bag 1. Stickers. Spinjitzu. And bag 3. Now let's unbox the Boulder Blaster. Oh, need the scissors this time. In this set we have bag 3, bag 4, bag 1, bag 2, stickers, bag 5, instruction manual, and last but not least, the window for the Boulder Blaster. Now let's build these things. Okay guys, we're back. We built the whole set, both of them. And here's what they look like. So the minifigures, here's Balobo. He has a cool face, this one, and this one. And he has the caveman beard. And this cool stick with the plant on the top. Our next minifigure is Gravis, or Gravis. He's like a genie, I think. He has like this gravity power thing with these. And he has a turban. It's unique face paint. Jay, the Lego Ninjago movie hair, the common face, has silver nunchucks as his weapon. Here's Izor. He is part of the Anacondre army. He has a cool mohawk and has roller skates. Here's Jacob, the master of music. He has a cool guitar as his weapon. He has he has an afro and star sunglasses and this gold piece over there. Here's Kai with this weapon over here. The common Kai face and the Lego Ninjago movie here. Here is the Tournament of Elements. There's a bunch of jade blades everywhere. Oops. And there's Claus's spell book over here. There's hidden jade blades everywhere. Here's this little tree, this spinning thingy. And yeah, that was the Tournament of Elements. Oh yeah, and there's one more thing. There's a little spinner over here. And a spin jutsu. Our next set is the Boulder Blaster. If you twist this, all of these will shoot out, but I'm not gonna do that because then it'll make a mess. I don't want to pick up all of those. Here is the place Cole is supposed to ride on inside. Cool wings, a lot of cool stickers. And this is the landing place. These could move. And here's where you hold it. The minifigures here are Cole, he has another happy face, and another Izor. The Legacy minifigures are Legacy Kai, and Legacy Lloyd. He has the season 14 headband hair. So I'm guessing this Lloyd is from the season 14 that's coming in March or late March or late February. I think this is from the season 11 Fire chapter. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!
Then out of your neck hole, quack like a duck. Lie on the ground and just stay put and wait till a human steps on you and hurts their foot. Here comes the chorus, then